For the past few days, the numerals have been set up in Times Square where we brought them in for all the world to see up close and personal. Today was the big day. We had to get them up into the building where they will be perched up above One Times Square. My guys bring these numerals up through an elevator that it just fits in. It's a very tight elevator. It's a 7-foot numeral, very heavy. And we bring it up through this elevator to the 22nd floor. Now from the 22nd floor to the roof, we have a few floors to go. So my guys have to set up a whole winch system to get them up through the floors of the building. Once we get it up through the hatchways, now the fun begins. Now we don't even have any more mechanical advantage. Now we just have to manhandle these things up a couple of flights of stairs, a steel staircase, and just get up to the roof where we are now. Once we have the numerals up to the roof level, now we have to set up a second winch. This winch is a heavy-duty winch that we use for the ball. We're going to use it today for the numbers. The numbers will then be hoisted up through this auxiliary winch, and we still have the same 8 or 9 man crew here trying to get these things up there safely. So it's a big deal, and it's a little windy over here. But once we get it up there, the numeral is about 25 feet away from where the men are. So they use a long hook to hook the rope to pull it in because it has to be hoisted over the structure where it then gets mounted. That's a whole nother story. But then we have to figure out, get the holes lined up, get all the mechanical fastenings in, and make this thing stay up there because the whole world is watching. These numerals are not just large and heavy, they're also super bright. And this is why they're so bright. There's over 600 high-efficiency LED bulbs in the total of these 4 numerals. The 2s have 145 bulbs in each. The 0 has 164, and the 3 has 148 lamps, for a total of 602. So they're really, really super bright and very, very efficient. I mean, it's a very, very green operation. When you're in the square on New Year's Eve, when the ball is starting to drop, the numerals are dark. When the ball comes down and gets to that level where the New Year starts, the numerals light up, and it's like the whole world sees it. I mean, it's so amazing. It's like nothing you've ever seen before.